Let's follow the path to a strong, healthy spine. There are 3 steps doctors use: green for checkups, yellow for bracing, red for surgery. If your curve is small, the doctor checks every 6 months. You can still run and play, good news. Most small curves stay the same and don't need treatment. If your curve grows a little, a special back brace can help keep it from getting worse. Braces work best when you wear them almost all day, like a superhero suit for your back. Your brace has a smart chip to track wear time. No extra x-rays needed. We want to keep your spine steady until your bones finish growing. If the curve gets too big, surgery helps your lungs and heart stay strong. Surgery adds strong rods to help your spine stay straight and grow safely. Most kids don't need another surgery and feel better after healing. Some kids get a stretchy cord instead, so their spine can still bend and grow. Sometimes the stretchy cord needs a little fix later, but that's okay. After surgery, you'll walk the next day, go to school soon, and play sports again. Guess what? Most kids go back to doing everything they love. No limits. Every step helps your spine. Your doctors are here to guide you.